I'm gonna take my hair out of this pineapple situation kind of thing that I have going on, and we're gonna see how this wash and go came out. So first thing, I do see a little flakes, and when I did take off my bonnet, I did see some flakes in the front. I did add more product there, so maybe I just added too much. There are some flakes flaking around. This is how it came out. It's not the worst. It's not bad, actually. It's better than I thought it would be, but I'm still not loving it. I started my wash and go with the Bouclème Curl Cleanser. This has zero foam for maximum hydration. It gently cleans, leaving curls hydrated and moisturized. I can agree with that. I was able to detangle my hair with this. I didn't have a lot of tangles, but this did allow me to detangle my hair when I used it, and it was not foamy or sudsy. After the cleanser, I used the curl conditioner. This is a ultra moisturizing conditioner that penetrates the hair cuticle, leaving curls super hydrated, and it says it's perfect for all curl types. I did like this too. I just left this in my hair for a few minutes as I showered, and this does say that it can be left in for thick curly hair types or rinsed out. I did rinse it out because I was going to follow with the deep conditioner, which is next. Next, I used the intensive moisture treatment, and this is the deep conditioner. This I applied to my clean wet hair, and it says you can detangle. I had my hair already detangled, so I didn't really detangle with this, but it says to leave on for 20 to 30 minutes and add heat for an extra deep treat. I did add heat for about 20 minutes or so, and then I covered my hair with a plastic cap. So I steamed for about 20 minutes, then I covered my hair with a plastic cap just to let that heat sit in. And then after a while, I wasn't ready to wash it out right away, so it was a while later. I did wash it out, but this can be used as a leave-in, so it wasn't bad that I left it in. It's not one of those deep conditioners that is not safe to leave in your hair, because this says that it can be used as a leave-in. My hair feels really nice after deep conditioning with the deep conditioner. So maybe one day I will use either the deep conditioner or the curl conditioner as a leave-in and see how I like that, and you'll hear why in a minute. So after the deep conditioner was washed out, I really loved how my hair felt. It felt really soft, it felt hydrated, it felt nice, it felt good. So following that, I went on to use the curl cream. The curl cream is a nourishing and moisture replenishing leave-in curl cream that's supposed to create soft, shiny, and well-defined curls, and it's for medium and tight curl types. I applied this in my hair as it said, and it says for soft hold use alone, and for a medium hold follow with our curl defining gel. And this also can be used on dry hair if it's feeling dry for a moisture boost. That's what it says. So I did use this, and I really liked how this felt going in my hair. I'll put a clip in right now of me using this and how I felt, so you can see that. The cream says apply to clean wet hair in sections, smoothing in a downward motion. For soft hold, use alone. For medium hold, follow with our curl defining gel. I'm gonna follow with the gel to get more of a hold. Let's see how this smells. They all have like a smell of some product that I've used before. I cannot figure out what it is. This feels like it is pulled through. I like how this is going through. It's going through seamlessly, and it doesn't feel like it's heavy at all. One day I'll try this by itself. This feels like it would do nice by itself, but it would be more fluffy. But look at how nice it looks. This is all done. I would love to see how this alone would look as a wash and go, but that's not what we're doing today. Today we're trying it with the gel. So I'm gonna add the gel now, in sections. After using the curl cream, I use the curl defining gel. The curl defining gel is a smoothing medium hold gel that's supposed to give all day frizz control and incredible curl definition. It's said to rake through wet hair with fingers. My hair wasn't soaking wet. I don't know if that makes a difference. It says apply in sections for even distribution, which I did. Feels like a creamy gel. And we're just gonna put it through. Actually, kind of feels wet gel. Hoping this gives my hair hold. It says it will. I don't think I would like the gel by itself. I don't know if I like how the gel feels. I don't know. We'll see when it dries how it looks, but I'm not really feeling how this gel feels. I wonder if they have other gels. I'm gonna check and see if they have other hold products because I don't know if I like this gel. I like how my hair feels before the gel. What I like in my hair is clumping. So I like when my curls clump together. This gel feels like it's making it more separated, which is not really my preference. We will see how it comes out. Even I feel like if I do the praying hands, it's still separating it. Maybe this is a gel that you should finger coil with or something, because this is definitely separating my curls. This is what we're working with now. It just has to dry. I think because it's so separated, it's gonna dry fairly quick. I don't hate how it looks. I just am not loving the way the gel felt. Like I liked everything up until I put the gel over my hair. And I mean, it still might come out nice. It's just not feeling like that for me based on how the gel is separating my hair. Hopefully it does come out well. When you go from having a wash and go that you expect it to be bad, turn out really good and last for basically 9 days. It's just like, I want another good wash and go. But we'll see how this comes out. Let me just turn around so you can see the back and the side. That's how it all looks. I do see that it did give a good amount of curl definition. I'm not complaining about that. I do have a little bit of flakes. And it says gel will dry firm. My hair does feel somewhat firm, but also it doesn't feel hard or crunchy. It says once fully dry, scrunch to release soft bouncy curls. And my hair does feel soft. There's slightly a firm feel, but it's not crunchy. But I do see flakes as I move my hair around. I did not like how the gel felt as I was adding it to my hair. I thought this wash and go was going to be a disaster. And it came out better than I expected because it's not bad at all. And it feels like this might last me a few days. Except for the ends where I feel like it wasn't as moisturizing. When I used the curl cream, I really liked how my hair was feeling. I like my hair to have a certain clumpage when my curls are together. And this is not bad. They just feel like they are more separated curls. And I feel like when my hair is separated, it is going to dry out faster. Tell me what you think of this wash and go. I did check the website to see if there was another gel that I would like better, but the other styler that's like a gel seems like it's more for wavy hair types, and these products are not inexpensive. They're kind of in the $30 range for the styler, so I'm gonna pass on that. But what I'm gonna do next time is either try the curl conditioner or the intensive moisture treatment and then pair that with the curl cream, which I really liked, and see if I get more of the clumpage I want. But really, these curls are not bad. They're not bad at all. My hair is not horrible. I just feel like when my hair is like this on day one, it will not last as long, and it just doesn't feel as moisturized as it could be, but it's not bad. Leave me a comment down below on some products that you would like me to try out. It could be something that you've never seen me talk about before. It could be something from a previous CurlBox unboxing or a haul, or just an item that we've mentioned but you haven't seen me use. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.